safety training seminars in Sacramento, Oak Park. Our parking lot entry is on 5th and Broadway. You can choose any open parking space. And once you find this parking spot, make your way to the parking lot entry of the building. Enter the code on the keypad here. Once inside, you'll see the reception desk. Make your way to the left and go down the steps. Go all the way down the hall. Safety training seminars is in suite 107 on your left side. Enter the code that was provided to you on the keypad here. Come inside, log in, and begin your skill test.